Docks Marine opens 7 days a week from 8 to 5. Sales, rental, service, all in one place. It's at Docks Marine, 5803 Eichard Ridge Road.
I'm Ralph Mangum here on the WHKY News. Let's check out today's Community Focus segment. WHKY's Arianna Mack has information on the Fentanyl Awareness Challenge in Caldwell County.
Hope for Caldwell, a nonprofit committed to reducing substance use in Caldwell County, invites high school students to pitch an idea to reach and educate fellow teens about the dangers of fentanyl and fake pills in the Fentanyl Awareness Challenge. Ideas can include innovative ways to reach youth, such as social media posts, blogs, podcast, video journals, and more. The winners will receive a prize valued at $750. The second place prize is valued at $500 and third place at $250. All submissions will be featured on Hope for Caldwell's social media platforms, and additional opportunities for recognition may be developed. To participate, students must be in 9th through 12th grade at the time of submission and reside within North Carolina. Youth under 18 must submit a signed parent or legal guardian consent form. Those wishing to participate must have registered to participate in the challenge and have complied with all requirements. To register for the Fentanyl Awareness Challenge or for more information, contact Chayo Vang at cvang@caldwellcountync.org. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna. Comments are being sought on a measure designed to protect North Carolina residents against future flood damage. Rob Eastwood has the details.
The North Carolina Office of Recovery and Resiliency is seeking public comments through December 14th on a proposed amendment to the action plan for administering HUD Community Development Block Grant Mitigation Funds. The proposed action plan amendment is intended to address homeowner mitigation needs, including establishing the Residential Property Elevation Fund, which will be used to rehabilitate, reconstruct, or replace properties located in a floodplain or at risk of future flooding. The new fund will help protect properties against future flood damage through structural elevations and related activities. A draft of the new Substantial Action Plan Amendment 6 for mitigation funding is available for review online. The public is encouraged to submit comments by email to ncorr.publiccomments@ncdps.gov or by U.S. Postal Service. You can mail to NCORR Public Comments, P.O. Box 110465, Durham, North Carolina 27709. Public comments on the new draft action plan must be submitted no later than 5 p.m. Saturday, December 14th. You can get more on this by going to our website, WHKY.com. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thank you, Rob. As many residents prepare to fry this year's Thanksgiving turkey, Catawba County Utilities and Engineering encourages the public to recycle used cooking oil through Catawba County's Cooking Oil Recycling Program. The program recycles used cooking oil and grease into clean-burning, locally made biodiesel fuel. Cooking oil should never be poured down the drain as it turns solid in the pipes and can cause major clogs and other issues. To recycle used cooking oil, allow leftover oil to cool before pouring it into a jar with a lid. Then take it to one of 4 area locations which are listed at WHKY.com. Available year-round, the county's cooking oil recycling program is free of charge and is open to residents of Catawba County only. No business waste is accepted. For more information, call Utilities and Engineering at 828-465-8217 or visit CatawbaCountyNC.gov. Thank you all for joining us here on Community Focus. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, and Jason Savage, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.